Hi, it's Hannah, and today I'll be swatching the Holo Tea Crèmes collection. This collection includes 6 very lovely creme polishes along with a gorgeous gold flake topper. First up is Bring Me The Teal. This is a dark teal shade and I applied 2 coats. I actually did 2 coats for all the creme polishes and I love the formula and smooth application. These shades dry fast as well, which is another plus. Next is I'm Over Brew, which is a rich maroon color. This is definitely a gorgeous classic fall shade. Here is See Y'all Later Chai. This is a nice tan / light brown shade. A chai tea latte is my favorite drink, so I think this color matches perfectly. Also, feel free to share your favorite colors from this collection along with your favorite drinks, because even though I'm pretty set in stone when I have a favorite food or a favorite drink, I can get some inspiration from you when I actually do feel like trying something new. Now we have Matcha Maker, which is a lighter pistachio green, or you can just call it a matcha green because I do think this is a perfect matcha shade. It's really unique and might be my favorite out of this collection. I was comparing it to some of my mint greens and those are obviously a little more blue, so I don't really have anything like this, which is why I like it so much. Next is High Tea Hibiscus. This is a pretty reddish purple shade. I think if you want to add a pop of color but nothing too bright for fall, this is a really good choice. And for the last of the crèmes, we have Butterscotch Hop. This is a gorgeous, warm butterscotch yellow. It makes me think of sunshine and being cozy, and I also love that it was full coverage in 2 coats because yellows have the tendency to be streaky. So now for my favorite part, which is applying a layer of gold flake taco over each shade. I think this topper is so pretty and works very well over every color. It honestly might be one of my favorite toppers. I just love the little gold flakies, they're so cute and give the right amount of sparkle. Also, here's gold flake taco over black and white. Alright, so that's it for the Holo Tea Crèmes collection. I hope you enjoyed seeing all the swatches. Thanks so much for watching and I'll see you later.